Welcome back at noon. Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is back with us. It is November. I don't know where time is going.
I know, and everybody's in the mood for fall flavors. So when you're thinking about pumpkin spice lattes, pumpkin flavored things, we actually have some pumpkin brownie cheesecake bars for you that really celebrate the season.
Delicious, yes.
I can't wait for you to try them. And of course, when we're talking about holiday baking and this time of year, you just want to make sure you're using those real Wisconsin dairy products. So we have real butter, real Wisconsin cheese. You can top it off with some real whipped cream. So these brownies have two different layers in it. The base brownie layer has traditional brownie ingredients like cocoa and flour and sugar. But then in the base layer, we also have some real Wisconsin butter, which makes them creamy and delicious. And then inside the layer is a pumpkin puree combined with some Wisconsin mascarpone. And when you think about mascarpone, it's really a traditional dessert cheese. So when you have cheesecake or tiramisu or different frostings, mascarpone is delicious with that.
Oh gosh, so good.
Yeah, but also it's really good if you're making pastas or different types of lasagnas. You can add the mascarpone as well. It's an Italian style cheese. And it's made by a local favorite. It's made by Crave Brothers Cheese. It's in Waterloo, Wisconsin.
I love the Crave Brothers.
I think we've featured this before, but it's a mascarpone soft Italian cheese. And it really highlights the farming story here in Wisconsin, because it's a third-generation dairy farm, and they use the harmony of the land and the cows and the milk to just make some beautiful Wisconsin cheeses. So it all starts with that high-quality milk on the farm to get that award-winning Wisconsin cheese. And this cheese won first place at the American Cheese Society just this year.
Awesome.
And it also comes in a chocolate variety as well, so you can have some fun. You can find it at your local Woodman's, Metcalf's. It's easily found, but also a great way to support local dairy farmers. So I can't wait for you to try these cheesecake bars.
I'm so excited. Yeah, I've actually had an opportunity to check out their operation on site before, and it's so amazing. And you're right, it all starts right there from the farm, and it's cool to see where it starts to where it goes right in your kitchen table.
Yeah, and you really can't get any fresher than that. You know, the farm is where they're milking the cows, and they make the cheese right on the farm too, so it's considered a farmstead operation. We have a handful of farmstead cheese factories right here in Wisconsin that are making cheese right on the farm, so it doesn't get better than that.
Very good. You just got to look for that proudly Wisconsin cheese.
Yep, and you can check out our website for these recipes and more.
Awesome.
Thank
Angie,
you.
Thank you so much. Happy November. Thanks for coming on in.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.